zoomy zoomy boys. Are you mowing the sidewalk, dude? What are you doing?
Down south and strapped up, car all black, yes, wrapped up and it's gassed up. We ready to roll straight out of church. Lord bless my soul. You can step to me if you'd like to meet him, but I'd keep your distance if you like breathing. We got more rounds and it keeps increasing. We give them out, you best believe it.
What is up, everybody? It's your boy, Ride with Danger. I'm just here cruising back to work, cause I gotta go to work, you know? You know what I'm saying, guys? Bumpy road. Oh no, it's the fuzz. Man, they're blacked out. That is illegal tint, my guy. POV, you're riding on a motorcycle, and there's a bunch of idiots on the road. What do? Do you A, make fun of them? Do you B, just ignore them and enjoy your ride? Or do you C, call the cops like a Karen? That's right, my fellow motorcyclers. The correct answer was A, you make fun of them. Otherwise, what are you doing with your life? Oh, hello mailman, do you have any mail for me? Oh, they're having a yard sale. Oh, was that a Roomba for sale? I should buy myself a Roomba and let it loose on the roof, just see how far it gets. Oh, zoomy zoomy boys, zoomy zoomies. Oh my gosh, another yard sale. Oh, there's so many clothes for sale and not Halloween decorations, but scarecrows. I guess you could use them as Halloween decorations, but they're all happy and smiling and it'd be kinda weird. Has anyone ever dressed up as a Christmas tree for Halloween? Serious question. I think that would be quite terrifying. Just seeing a Christmas tree walking around, demanding candy from you. I, for one, would be scared. Scared to death, even. Why is it called Silly Goose, when geese are some of the most serious, evil things I've ever met? I don't understand. I'm more inclined to fight large animals over a goose. I mean, those things are mean. Like, I've bucked up to large dogs before, but I've had to run away from a goose. That's a true story. Are you really using the air vac to fill up your dolly tires? That's weird, I've never seen that. Why do you not have a miniature air compressor in your garage like me? Those small air compressors come in handy. In fact, just the other day, I filled up the tire of a wheelbarrow. Also, a true story. Not a funny one, but a true one. Please don't pull out in front of me. I'll have to cry. Like I cry myself to sleep every night. I'm just kidding. That's only on Wednesdays. Grassroots. What a cute little character. Why is this guy so close to me? You don't know me like that, bro. Get off my butt. I'll have to cry. Oh, I'm just gonna take a little ride on these bumps. Oh, yeah. I really don't like waiting in traffic, but at least it's nice weather outside. Is my camera aimed properly? I don't know what you guys are seeing right now. Do I need to look down or look up? Oh no, it's the fuzz. Incoming tunnel. Oh, that was fun. I almost didn't make that light. That would have been scary. The guy that was tailgating me is no longer tailgating me, so that's a bonus. I think you have a slight bit of rust on your car. Women, am I right? You know, on the way home today, I was in a car, so I didn't film it, but there was a guy going 20 under the speed limit, and it was super annoying. Do you ever just get behind people that, like, don't even get close to the speed limit? Doesn't that just irk you so bad? I mean, that really grinds my gears. And grinding gears is bad. Oh no, railroad crossing. Oh, I made it out alive. There's so much trash on the side of the road. Do people think this is California or something? Gosh. Oh, that was fun. Let's do that again. Oh, Alright, I can no longer do that again because I'm really close to this car. That guy looks like an Indian, but like the cool kind that summons smoke signals. So fun fact, that house was rebuilt recently to the exact same specifications as it was the first time. If you're wondering why it had to be rebuilt, it's because the wife of whoever lived there, or some lady at least, I don't remember, burned it down because she was crazy. Yeah, it was a really weird story. But the Historical Society said, no, that's a historical house and must be rebuilt. But yeah, it's a really big, expensive historical house, and she just burned it down. Again, a true story. Not a funny one unless it's funny to burn down houses, in which case it's a pretty funny story. Are you mowing the sidewalk, dude? What are you doing? Get a job. Look at those dogs. What if I just revved really loud? I'm not gonna do that. I like dogs. I wouldn't do that to the puppers. Anyway, that's all I had for you guys today. I just thought I would make a video. Peace out, guys. I'll catch you next time. Unless you don't watch my videos anymore, and then I'll never see you again. But that's okay, because I still love you. Bye. Oh.